Welcome! Today I'm showing how to turn off Google Assistant option into a Realme C25s. First of all, open your Google application, and then in the top right corner we got Google account icon, so click it and choose settings. Then go into Google Assistant, and here in this menu you need to scroll down and find general option, this one. And now click here on the switcher to turn off Google Assistant. Click, turn off Google Assistant, confirm operation, click turn off one more time, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.